is an annual event held by Lester, and we always look forward to this event because that's exactly when he will launch a brand new version of InstantPro, and it's always packed with additional features that will help all of us.
Every year that we come for this event, the expectations is always surpassed. So I don't have any expectations. I'm just prepared to be wowed by the new features available in InstantPro.
This is very exciting about InstantPro version 9 being long in this industry. I find that InstantPro is very relevant to a real estate agent which is long in this business.
I'm so empowered by the new features, and definitely with that voice-generated inventory list, definitely help us to save a lot of time and we can serve our clients even better.
And I absolutely love InstantPro, which has helped me immensely in my real estate work by the advanced document generator that has saved me so much time, helping me to give better information to my clients thanks to all the data that it has incorporated into one seamless app.
I look forward to the promising coding and coming up with the inventory list. I think that's going to help us a lot in terms of the rental and recording all the inventories.
InstantPro has really helped me to close cases. When I show it to my client, they are very excited about the facts and information and the data. I could show it to them. So that really helps me a lot.
This InstantPro 9 will definitely make me use this app more often because of certain features that I find it very, very useful. For example, the inventory generator and also the FSBO. Find out more about this app itself so that we're using this to help me to canvas for more leads or even to help me to close the sales.